So today in this video, we are going to see about the object classes in Java. So what is an object classes? It is a parent class of all the classes available in the Java. And it is also set as a default class for all the classes. To be in simple words, it is a topmost class of a Java. Clear? So in this video, we'll be seeing what are the methods of object classes. So let me open a notepad. What are the methods of object classes? So first method is public final class get class. So this is the first method. So what it will do is it will return the class of class objects of the object, and it is also used to get the metadata of the class. So this is the first method. And next one, we can use public int hash code. So this public object class is used to return the hash code numbers of the object that is present in the object. It is used to return the hash codes. And third method is public boolean equals object. So here what it will do is, it will just compare the given object to the object. So it will compare this object to the given object. So this is a function of this method. Next method is public string to string. So what this method will do is, it will just return the string representations of the object. So what it will do is, it will just return the string values to the given string of that object. Okay. So next one is public final void notify. So this is the basic method of the class. What it will do is, it will just wake up a single thread that is waiting on this object monitor. So it will just send a single thread message which is waiting on the object monitor to wake up. So next one, similar to this, public final void notify all. So it is a basic difference between this one and this one. As this one, which is the public final void notify, is used to wake up a single thread, and here this public final void notify all, it will wake up all the threads that is waiting on the object monitor. So these are all the basic methods of object classes that we are using in the Java. Clear? So next what we are going to see is object cloning. So basically we know what is cloning, right? So in Java, we are using object cloning. Why we are using this is to create the exact copy of an object. That is, we have an object already, but we need a copy of it. So we are going to create a cloning of that. This process is called object cloning. So here what will be the main thing that we have to consider is, we have to implement the class by the manual thing where we'll be creating the object clone interface, because here the interface will not be supported and it has to be implemented by the user. Okay, if you are not implementing the interface, then we'll get the output as clone not support exceptional errors. Okay. So what will be the advantages and disadvantages of cloning? So the advantages are, it will save the extra processing tasks. That is, we no need to create the exact copy of an object. By using the cloning method, we no need to write the lengthy and repetitive codes. It is a very easy and efficient way. And the main thing is that it is the fastest way of copying an array. This is the main advantage of object cloning. The disadvantage of this object cloning is, we have to manually implement the interface. If you are not doing it, then the error will happen and it will not support the execution. So hope you are clear with this video. We'll see the other things in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.